Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to reduce animations in X. If you prefer a more streamlined and efficient user experience, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Support. This action will take you to the Settings and Privacy section. Step 4. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Accessibility Language and Display. This is where you can customize your display preferences. Step 5. Inside the Accessibility Language and Display menu, tap on Accessibility. This is where you can adjust accessibility settings. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Reduce Motion and enable it. This will reduce animations throughout the X app, providing a more simplified and efficient user interface. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a smoother and faster experience with reduced animations in X. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a streamlined user experience with reduced animations in X.